time to ponder over the crazy days of my life. Watch the river flow, ease my mind and soul where I go. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, I'm having some technical difficulty this morning. This is our Tuesday morning Take Me to the River moment. It is part of our Nature is Open campaign, designed to give you a moment to pause and reconnect with nature. So take a moment to relax, unwind, and enjoy the sights and sounds of the Rouge River this Tuesday morning. I hope you've enjoyed this moment by the Rouge River. Take a moment today to pause and reflect. Be well, stay safe and healthy.